Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and thank you for coming to visit. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So today I'm going to be showing you my $1 pre-poo routine. I do this every single time I wash my hair because I detangle my hair before wash day even begins because my hair tends to knot like crazy. So to detangle my hair before wash day even begins, I'm going to be taking the Tame Exotic Argan Infused Repairing Conditioner. Okay, repairing. I'm going to be taking this conditioner that I got from my Dollar General, and again, it was only $1. I like $1 conditioners when I'm pre-pooing because they usually have amazing slip, and I'm not really looking to moisturize my hair because I'm about to wash it and deep condition it, so I really just need this to help me detangle before I have to put shampoo on my hair. And I really like this stuff. You get this giant bottle, it's 32 ounces for $1. This will last me at least like 5 or 6 wash days. It's great. Okay, so I've been wearing my hair in this puff for about 2 days now, and she just needs some TLC. It's definitely time for her to come down. So I'm gonna start by taking out my hair bow and shaking out my hair. Yes, lion, roar. So from there, I'm gonna divide my hair down the middle. I'm going to section off one side, and for this side I'm just going to divide it into 3 large sections to work with. Alrighty, so now that my hair is all sectioned off, I'm going to take this back section, I'm going to completely saturate it with warm water. So now that my hair is nice and soaking wet, I'm going to just take a very generous amount of the conditioner and I'm going to put that all over the section. I'm also going to start finger detangling my hair as I work this conditioner in. After I've worked the conditioner with my fingers, I'm going to go in with my favorite Detangling Comb. I'm going to brush out this section, starting at the ends and working my way up. And once that section is all detangled and I have everything out of it, I'm just going to loosely braid it up for wash day. And I be sure when I braid this up to keep my roots pretty loose because I do wash my hair in braids and I want to be able to make sure my fingers can get to my scalp. So I leave the roots pretty much loose in this, but this just keeps my hair from tangling up once the shampoo hits it. 1 down, 5 to go. The middle section and this front section are just a little too big, so I'm actually going to divide both these sections in half, so I'll end up having 10 braids or 5 sections on each side of my head. Alrighty guys, so my hair is all braided up and well conditioned, if I do say so myself. So usually what I'll do is I'll put on a plastic cap and I'll let this sit for maybe an hour or two, sometimes overnight if I'm feeling a little lazy and I have the time. So I'll let this sit for a few hours and then I will wash this out and I'll style my hair like normal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it and if you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me. Bye guys.